Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be setting up my Christmas bullet journal spreads for 2020, and this is going to be my first of many Christmas videos coming up for December. And as you can see, I have my Christmas intro thing, and I think it's really cute. And let me know any other Christmas videos you would like to see, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And let's get right on with the video. So the first spread I'm setting up is my gifts to buy spread, and I basically drew out loads of different boxes and made them like presents for each person I am buying for this year. So I just drew loads of different shaped gift boxes, like I said, and did bows on them, and I made sure to add a little tag that I can write the name of the person I'm buying for on. So now that I finished that spread, I am doing their cards to send spread, and for this I did two huge boxes. One is for the cards I need to pick for my family, and the other one is for my friends, just to help me see the difference, as that's just what's helpful for me. And at the top I did a huge bow and a ribbon at the top where I write the information I need to put in the table. So I did the name of the person, if I have made it, and I'll tick the box, and then if I've written it, and I'll tick once again. And then the last one I did is the date sent, so I know when and if I've given that person a card this year. So now is my wish list spread, and I could not go doing a Christmas setup without doing a wish list spread. So I just did a huge envelope at the bottom, and I did a long piece of paper coming out of it where I can write the stuff I would like for Christmas. And I just did a title at the top, and then did some holly as well, just to add some colour, as the spread was quite simple. So yeah, this spread is pretty simple and minimal, but I kind of like how it looks, and I hope you do too. So now, as the last spread was pretty simple, I decided to go for a super busy and doodle heavy spread that I won't actually fill it in, but it's more like a fun one to draw, and it is my Christmas favourites. So the first thing I did, I drew some gingerbread men, which by the way is my December plan with me theme. So if you'd like to go check that out, I will have it linked in the card or down below, so be sure to check that out after you've finished watching this video. And then, so I drew those gingerbread shapes, and I drew a Christmas tree next to it. So basically I'm just drawing all of the different activities and things I'd like to do this year for Christmas, and just all the stuff that makes me happy at Christmas time. So some of the things I did was bake gingerbread cookies, decorate Christmas tree, wear a Santa hat, wrap presents, and drink hot chocolate. So now moving on to my final double spread for this Christmas setup, and on the left page I decided to do a recipe for gingerbread cookies. And just a little disclaimer, this is not my recipe, this is just one I found online and it's not very detailed. I only wrote like for the method, they're super simple and I won't actually use this recipe to bake. I just thought it would look really cute to put in my bullet journal. So I just started by writing ingredients and method down, and obviously I did a title. And on the right hand side of that page I did loads of the gingerbread doodles you've seen in my Christmas favourite spread I did on the page before, and that was my main theme for my December plan with me. So now I'm doing a spread that I haven't really seen anywhere anyone else do, but I thought it would be kind of unique and cute to do. And I did a Christmas playlist spread which featuring 4 of my favourite Christmas songs that I've been listening to a lot this year. So the first one is the classic All I Want for Christmas by Mariah Carey, then One More Sleep by Leona Lewis, Like Us Christmas by the Jonas Brothers, and Santa Tell Me by Ariana Grande. And I got the album covers for each of these songs and stuck them down and then wrote like the artist and the title, and then I did a little red drop shadow behind it, and I just think it looks really cute, and yeah, I really like how it turned out. Also, I forgot to mention that my Spotify is linked down below, and on there I have my own Christmas playlist that I made, and just so be sure to check it out. It has got these 4 songs in it and a whole lot more that I've been listening to lately, and I think I was listening to it while I was making this video, so be sure to check it out along with my other playlists on Spotify. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and now let's get right on to the final flip through. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more art and bullet journal content from me. And just to let you know, I'm going to try and upload at least 2 videos a week for Vlogmas, where I'm just going to be uploading Christmas content and stuff that you guys like to see, so be sure to leave a comment down below on any videos you'd like to see in this coming month. Bye guys!